Okay, I got it mounted on the lathe. It's got a, as you can see, it's got a big seam that goes right across. And it goes in. There's still a 1 inch of good solid wood left there. So that should be all right. And on the other side, it's got this good solid wood here. So I think I got enough to make a base out of. This will probably be the top on this side. I wanted to make this side the top, but I don't think I'm going to be able to with that seam. We'll see. It's way, way, way out of balance because it's got way more wood on this side than the other side. But once I get this cut off, it should be okay. Okay, I'm going to take my battery operated chainsaw and cut some of this off to get it a little more in balance. Added benefit for doing that is this piece here is big enough I could make a small top out of it. Okay, I'm up to 400 RPMs. I got my 1 inch roughing gouge here. See if I can take a little bit off this face.